Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. So today we are going to be decorating my journal, which is the classic size, sophisticated florals happy planner. And it is for the week of September 19th through the 25th. I'm going to be using this tiny sticker book called This Is Us. It has very much dark and lots of browns for like fall and coffee and like warmer clothes. So I wanted to go ahead and incorporate this. It's kind of like a perfect end of summer, beginning of fall with florals. And again, this is kind of a free fall planner, right? Because when you journal, there is no rhyme or reason how you're going to do that, and there's no real like tasks or setup that needs to be done. So it is quite different, at least it is for me. And I have very much like an open creative outlet with this, which is a lot of fun. So I'm gonna go ahead and place this washi tape down on the bottom of the page. I think that's gonna look so pretty and it's gonna bring those colors alive. And I'm gonna be doing some boxes and stuff to make sure that this can become very decorative, just like I want it. Okay, so she's got that girl boss hustle, and I'm gonna add this dark floral right up here, and then another one on a Sunday, just like that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and layer this with Love Your Fabulous Self. And I'm gonna add this little thing so I can just add a main thing that's happening on Friday in that box. I think that's a lot of fun when I journal, to kind of be able to highlight things that are happening. Look at these glasses, they're just so adorable. I can't, like, I love it so much. Okay, I think I'm gonna put all of these little things throughout the sidebar and make it kind of fun. Let's see, add that here for now, and then I'm gonna kind of trickle them down in the sidebar, and I think they'll look very fun. Those are like different prompts, like letter, happy mail, exercise, and so on. So I think it might be fun to just put all of these icons in a sidebar, even though some of these things might not be happening. Okay, let's see. Weekend, so beautiful banner right there. I'm gonna add a little box right here and another one up here to bring those browns into that side of the page. Let's add washi up here, and then finish up with hands with computer. There we go. I think that looks fantastic. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and add a few little things. Some shoes. She's building her empire. So now I'm just going to be decorating with small trinkets here throughout, and hopefully they will look pretty good. And then I'm going to be writing writing around all of these little icons. So I'm going to add a keychain from this box, kind of dangling down. I'm going to add a pen into that glass, even though it kind of looks the same color. I don't care. There's already a planner here, so I'm going to kind of put it right here and hopefully they'll balance it out. Awesome. Okay, a watch. Okay, there we go. Some more flowers. Add a cup of coffee. Glasses. All these little trinkets are just so beautiful, and like, look how little you need to really make a spread feel full. Like, if you distribute it correctly, it's gonna feel full pretty fast. Like, it's not even probably half of the book that I used, and it's only 5 pages. It's a tiny book. Okay, so I'm gonna add little things. But I want it super straight, so I'm gonna fix that. Okay, better. And now let's add 2 more. So I'm gonna add today, and then important, and all of these are gold foiled, so that's why it's so shiny. I got this book on sale. I think it was like $3 or $4 from Michael's, and I really like it. Okay, and let's add one more box for journaling purposes. And I feel like this other side needs a box as well to balance things up. And I'm gonna add this peachy tone to balance out the weekend on the other side. Okay, and I think, I don't know, let's see. I'm pretty close to being done. I think this might be it. I hope you guys had fun and enjoyed the spread. It's a little bit different, a little bit kind of all over the place, but you will see once I write in it. If you watch my after the pen flip throughs, you will see how awesome it will look. I can't wait to show you. Thanks for joining me and have a great day. Bye.